If you're like most Americans, you're probably leaving thousands of dollars on the table every year without even realizing it, just because of how you claim Social Security. Welcome to Finance Flash, where we make personal finance simple and actionable for people in the U.S. Today, I'm going to show you 4 essential moves that can help you maximize your Social Security benefits. These are practical strategies you can actually apply, whether you're planning for retirement now or in the next 10 to 20 years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make Social Security work for you, avoid common mistakes, and potentially increase your monthly retirement income by hundreds, even thousands of dollars. So let's dive right in. The first essential move is planning when to claim your Social Security benefits. Here's the deal. You can start claiming as early as age 62, but your monthly benefit will be smaller. If you wait until your full retirement age, usually between 66 and 67, depending on your birth year, you get the full amount. And here's the powerful part. If you delay further until age 70, your benefits can increase by roughly 8% per year. That's a huge boost over time. For example, let's say your full retirement benefit at 66 is $2,000 per month. If you start at 62, you might only get $1,500, but if you wait until 70, your monthly benefit could rise to around $2,640. That's over $600 extra every month, just for waiting. The key takeaway is simple. Don't rush into claiming early unless you absolutely need the money. Knowing your full retirement age and planning strategically can make a massive difference in your lifetime benefits. Timing is everything, and it's the easiest move to start maximizing your Social Security right away. The second essential move is maximizing your earnings history. Social Security calculates your benefits based on your highest 35 years of earnings. That means if you've had gaps in employment or years with low income, your monthly benefit could be lower than it could have been. So, what can you do? If you're still working, consider working a few extra years or finding ways to increase your income in high-earning years. Even small increases in your top-earning years can add hundreds of dollars per month to your Social Security check. For example, imagine Jane has 34 years of solid earnings and 1 year of very low income. By working just 1 more year at a higher-paying job, she can replace that low-income year in the calculation. This simple move could increase her monthly benefit by several $100s for the rest of her life. Maximizing your earnings history is one of the most overlooked strategies, but it's extremely powerful. A few smart years of planning can make a huge difference in your retirement income. The third essential move is coordinating with your spouse. If you're married, Social Security gives you several options to maximize benefits as a couple. You can take advantage of spousal benefits, survivor benefits, and smart claiming strategies that can significantly increase your total household income. Here's an example. Imagine a husband and wife. The husband has a higher earning history and the wife has a lower one. One strategy is for the lower earning spouse to claim early while the higher earning spouse delays benefits until age 70. This way, the couple maximizes the total income they receive over their retirement years. Another important tip is considering survivor benefits. If the higher earning spouse passes away, the surviving spouse can receive their full benefit. By delaying the higher earner's claim to age 70, you not only increase their benefit, but you also increase the survivor benefit, giving long-term security for the surviving spouse. Coordinating with your spouse requires a little planning and communication, but it can make a huge difference in lifetime benefits. Many couples leave thousands on the table simply because they didn't consider these strategies. The fourth essential move is avoiding penalties and minimizing taxes on your Social Security benefits. Here's the thing. Depending on your other income, a portion of your Social Security benefits can be taxed. If you withdraw too much from retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, or have other taxable income, you could end up paying taxes on up to 85% of your Social Security benefits. The key is strategic planning. Spread out withdrawals from retirement accounts over multiple years instead of taking large lump sums. This helps keep your income lower in any given year so less of your Social Security gets taxed. Also, consider delaying benefits if possible. By waiting until age 70, not only do you increase your monthly benefit, But you also give yourself more flexibility to manage taxable income. A little planning now can save thousands of dollars in taxes over your retirement. The goal is simple. Keep as much of your Social Security in your pocket as possible while avoiding penalties. Let's quickly recap the 4 essential moves to maximize your Social Security benefits. First, plan your claim timing carefully. Remember, waiting until your full retirement age, or even age 70, can significantly increase your monthly benefit. Second, maximize your earnings history by working extra years or increasing your top earning years. So Social Security calculates your benefits using your highest 35 years. Third, if you're married, coordinate with your spouse. Use spousal and survivor benefits strategically to boost your combined income. And fourth, avoid penalties and minimize taxes by planning withdrawals and managing your taxable income wisely. These small steps can save you thousands over your retirement. Social Security is one of the most important parts of your retirement plan, and by following these 4 moves, you can make sure you're getting the most out of it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss U.S. personal finance tips that actually work. Comment below which of these 4 moves surprised you the most, or are you already using any of them? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more strategies to grow your money, reduce taxes, and secure your retirement.